my series on What's Cooking with Instant. My name is Omi. I'm cooking con Omi. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken enchilada rice in a one-pot meal. Done and done in your Instant Pot Duo Plus with Whisper Quiet Steam Release. So stick around. It's going to be quick. Ven para acá que te voy a enseñar. Okay, mi gente, let's get this party started. Did you know that your Instant Pot Duo Plus is the smartest multi-cooker with preset recipes with 9-in-1 cooking functions? One of those functions being saute, which is what we're going to be using today. I've got 2 large chicken breasts that I've cut into thin strips. You can also use tenderloins, up to you. And I'm seasoning these with taco seasoning, any taco seasoning of your choice. Start by adding a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to your Instant Pot Duo Plus and add la cantidad de garlic and onions que te diga tu corazón. Garlic and onions pa' allá. These two are best friends and they're always going to be the base to a great tasting meal. So go ahead and allow them to get translucent and fragrant. After a couple of minutes, you can introduce your chicken to the party and allow them to soak up all of those juices. Cook your chicken strips for about 3 minutes without overcrowding your pot so that it can soak up all of those juices really well. Now for some color, we're going to dice up some red bell peppers and green bell peppers. You could also use jalapeno pepper, si te lo dice tu corazón. En tu cocina tu manda. Let those cook for about 2 minutes and now we're ready for our corn. I've rinsed and drained 1 can of corn, eso va pa' allá. And just to give you some perspective, we've only been sauteing for about 10 minutes here, mi gente. Now to the party is 3 cups of washed and rinsed medium grain white rice pa' allá and 1 can of black beans pa' allá. I did tell you this is a chicken enchilada rice, right? So we gotta add 1 cup of your favorite enchilada sauce, eso va pa' allá, along with 1.5 cups of your favorite chicken stock. You can also use water if you're in a pinch. Let's give this rice a good bate que bate from the bottom to the top. Get all of those flavors all the way to the top. And we're going to be closing our lid. And follow the guided cooking display setting to rice. On your dial, select white rice and set it for 20 minutes before pressing start. Remember that your Instant Pot Duo Plus has a built-in safety feature of the Whisper Quiet technology, reducing the noise for the quietest steam release and prompting you when it's safe to open your lid. Once it prompts you, you know you're good to go. I'm adding a Mexican cheese blend before I fluff my rice. And of course, we're going to be adding a little bit of cilantro for that touch of freshness. Without touching any of the settings, close the lid of your Instant Pot Duo Plus and allow the cheese to melt just a little bit before fluffing and serving this delicious goodness. Serve this up with some aguacate, some corn chips, and a delicious crema. And I promise you've got one of the easiest one-pot meals you'll ever make in your Instant Pot Duo Plus. Mi gente, now you've learned to make an easy chicken enchilada rice in no time in your Instant Pot Duo Plus. So make sure to stick around with me on my series on What's Cooking with Instant. And remember to subscribe to the Instant YouTube channel, along with downloading the Instant Brands Connect apps for more recipes and ideas. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Bye.